show you how to get a wallpaper on your Chromebook or your computer. Sorry for the noise in the back, my mom's on the phone. So you go to the picture you want that fits your computer, and you press Control and this button that does this, both at the same time, and you put copy to clipboard. Then you get out of it, and you go to your files, go to recent, go to the gallery, then press this little pencil that says edit, press this little thing that's crop. You're going to want to crop space that you want from the picture. You press done, and it's done. And then go to settings. You're going to put wallpaper, press it, and it shows you to my images. Now pick the one that you want. You exit out, and there you go, just like that. Thank you guys for watching, and